Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to take your product photo without studio or equipment. If you're interested, keep on watching while I walk you through the process. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon so you won't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's get this video started. So guys, the first thing you need is carton. You need a carton for this project. Any carton of your choice. I was able to get this one. So I'm going to use this one to explain to you guys how to take your product photo. But if you see any thicker carton, you can actually use that one. Okay? The next item you will need is a white paper. Any white paper of your choice. Today I'm using calendar, as you can see, because our goal is to take our product photo the easiest and cheapest way, so you don't need to break it down to do that. Use whatever you have at home. Okay, but if you have a white cardboard paper, you can also use that one. Okay, just use whatever you have. You are good to go. Now guys, we are going to fold our carton into 2 equal parts like you see me do. Though mine is not equal because of the size of white paper I'm using. So just do what you see me do in this video. Next, take the white paper and mark 2 inches at the edge because that's what we use to fold the carton. Okay. So now grab your carton and place the white paper on it. I'm trying to place the white paper. I'm trying to position it well now. So grab your paper, place the white paper on it, and fold the 2 edges. That place you mark, fold it at the back of the carton. If you have paper tape, you can use to hold it there so it will be firm. Then we are going to use something to support our mini studio. Either we'll place it on the wall or any surface just to make it stable or to make it stand well. Okay, so it will not be falling. Then you see that place I fold, that 2 inch I mark that I use in folding this paper. You can see that is what is making this our mini studio look nice. Next, place your product on the paper or the mini studio we just created and snap. Ensure that you position your work in order to get all the design on the work. Okay? And if you have watched to this point and are yet to subscribe, my dear, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. Also like this video if you are getting value from this video. Share it to your family and friends who might need it and also get value from it. So guys, ensure there is no shadow on your work. As you can see in this one, there is shadow here and there is shadow there. Note, it's important to snap your work outside or close to a window because we are using natural light, but not under the sun. Okay, morning or evening is perfect. So I'm going to snap this my work now. You can see there is no shadow at all. Then if you notice any shadow, just change the position where you are snapping. Just change it to another position. Okay, so you have to be patient when snapping your work to get a very clear picture. Okay, so you can see I have snapped this and this is how it come out. Okay, the next is to edit the product if you want to give it a clean and neat or nice look, and also to brighten the product if you want, but me, I'll leave my own that way. So guys, this is the easiest and cheapest way to take your product photo without any equipment, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Please like, share the video to people who will need it, and also subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do so. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I will answer them. I will see you guys in my next video where I will show you how to fix your sewing machine table. Until then, peace.